Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did another video on this while it's loading. I was just kind of playing around with it. Envelope point part 4. So you've got your envelope, and let's say you're happy with it, but you thought, let's try some effects. So I brought in some indexing lines, and the way I did this, I made them equal by putting something in the center of the page with P, and then I moved them over equal distances, I think 2.5 inches. And it doesn't matter. It's just going to be a reference part, and so it is. And then I moved the other one over 2.5 inches, and I brought one into the center just so I've got a reference. Now I've got all these grouped together so we can get another envelope from down here on an envelope tool and check these two nodes and left click, and sure enough there are curves. We can get rid of this node right here and get rid of this node right here. I'm just clicking on them and then deleting them. I'm going to grab my envelope around this indexing line, and I'm going to move it to this indexing line. Same thing here. I'm going to grab my envelope and move it to this indexing line. There's a totally different effect, and it's pretty cool. Very easily to do. You can change, so you can change your envelope up after you've done it, and the envelope's gone, but you can create a new envelope from the envelope down here, which is normally underneath your blend tool. Your blend tool is normally what's going to show up, but envelope is in the flyout of that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.